again. This is Old Man PHP. I create PHP video tutorials for the old guys who want to learn a new skill and compete with the young crowd. This is video 125F. On the last one, we created the form. And in this video, we're gonna create the process, the PHP part, because we're gonna do one file, self-contained. A self-contained file. It just makes it easier. It combines all three elements, like the handling of the database, when you're pulling information like the select statement, displaying a clean Bootstrap file, table, and it includes the efficient zero dependencies CSV. Remember we showed you? It's what feature I'll show you in a second. Right now we're here, right? If I wanted to create that report like this, let's see, where are we? See how we get this? Unauthorized, authenticated background action. I gotta word this a little better. Processing rejected. You must log on first. So you're here, right? And you log on. See? Now you go like this. And then when you call it, look how you got the 10 of these things. Now you called the reports. I'm gonna have it on the dashboard soon anyway. Oh man, guys, sorry. PHP. Boom. See this report? On the last video I showed you it was just nothing. But you had to log in to do it. Look, it gave you the whole thing. So if I went back, get rid of this guy. Let's go to the next one. It's only this, so we'll do boom. You see, you only get that one. Since I like the other one better, I'll go to that one. So let's do that one. Alright, so we'll go, let's create the report. I'm going to put it over here. I think I do have some few things. Let me see. Report.com. And you got that. Now, you got this here. I want you to export this to a CVS. I'm sorry, it's a CSV file. Look, it has, if it went, this is current by the way. What we're going to do is, we'll make it on another one. This is the inventory stock report by the way. I mean, we can make it a little better. If you guys got ideas, or maybe you should make it this or that, why don't you put it in the description, not in the description, comment it down below. Anyway, we're going to create that, so we're going to see. We're going to hit this. It's going to say, we going to download or save it? Say yes. I don't know how fast it takes, but I think it's done. Let's check it out. Let's see. Where is it? You would think it would be here. I think I might have. Did I even fix that up? Maybe I did. Oh! Yeah. That should have worked. Remember I showed it to you yesterday. Why isn't it? Where is it? Did I even hit it? Did it even work? worked. I'm gonna have to hook it up so that way. What is it called? You know, I had to, this whole computer had to be rebooted earlier. It says, oh, save file. Is there any way of me opening this? You have chosen to open, which is okay. See if I hit this. What can I use to read this stuff? Let's see. We got all these crummy things. I don't know, because if I do something weird, is there anything that I can use? Is there something called notes? You know something? Maybe we could use pages. I mean, I don't know. You think it'll work? Do pages? Let's do it. Could not be handled because pages cannot open files. Alright. So it doesn't open with that. What else can we use? Do we have something called notes? Other than pages. Is there a... I don't know. Look. Wrangler? Maybe we could open it with Wrangler. How about if we, let's try it again. I know for a fact, let me see. Oh, here it goes. I don't know why it took so long. This is what I was talking about. The machine had to be rebooted earlier. We called it up and here it goes. It's right here. Let's open it up. It probably will open in Wrangler. Okay, let's see. Wow, this is like the most slowest thing ever. Oh my god. Where is it? There it goes. Why is it open? I don't know. This is just the most weirdest. Here it goes, right here. Check it out. Everything that we have from before from the list. Where is it? If we move this down a bit, let's see. We get rid of this guy. There it goes, right here. So if I move this one, I can move it over here like this. Let's put it down over here like that. Then we'll take this one, right? Let's move it over here. And these are the titles. Those titles where we put in, which is what these things are. And there we go. So look, apples, bananas, steaks. Then what happens is you send this out to someone, and on their end they can take that S. And I think I even show you guys a script that will read that stuff and put it out as HTML or like a better report thing, or even going to an Excel spreadsheet. I think I showed you that, guys, a long time ago. It was one of the videos. Anyway, this is how it's done. You see it? Isn't it fantastic? No, let's just get rid of that guy. So let's move him back a little bit so I can see this button. I'm actually thinking about putting totals and stuff, but hey, we'll see that in a sec. Anyway, the point is that we'll go here, and this is the script. So it's over here from here to right here. And what I did was, you know, hey, if you need to create a session and there's none, then it creates it for you. This is for to get a good error message. Then it checks to see, right, user ID, that's important. Then it goes, this is when it does this. Remember? Authenticated background action process. Should we say background? Unauthenticated action process rejected. I mean, we do this like that, just to cut it short. Anyway, so of course, you know, there's credentials, the right ones. I put these X's so just to show you guys. This is the options. When you put it over here, see. You try this, it works out good. You connect it, good. If you didn't connect it, then you get a data connection fail and some other error. Then what happens is you call. Look, you select the ones you want. You don't have to say asterisk. Just select the ones you want. This updated that. I added that. That tells you that when was something was updated, like when you update the table. And then this is the first table name. User ID equals user number. This is the placeholder, and order by name and ASCII in an order. Then of course you do the prepare statement. This is very important. And this user ID, well, it will be the current user ID right there. This will be the current user ID, and this is what's this will be this. This will go in here, and then this whole thing will run. Then of course you fetch the whole thing, and then you can break it down over here. It's actions, yes it is. Is it equal export CSV? Yes it is. Because you're sending it, and then where is it? Is this the stupid button? Right here, look. See? You're sending that in. That's what this is. Right here. You see? If it's equal to that, it's a good. Now it sets the header to force download of a clean CSV file. And of course, this is how you do it. Header, content type, text, SNS, CSV. If this was a JSON or text or something, you would change that here. Then of course you saw the content disposition, attachment, the file name, inventory report. Inventory report, what's the other one? Is it here? Is it here? What did I do with it? Oh. That was great. Inventory report right there. You see it? And then let me see. This is the open the output stream. This is whatever it is, whatever file you're. It's gonna automatically go to the output, the download stuff. Alright, and then a W means right into it, in which you did. If you need to read that, it will say R. You put R. Depends on the situation, right? Then of course you call in your, you open it up. Remember when you open and you fetch stuff, like over here, this right here, It makes it into an array. So of course, this is how you read an array. You're using this placeholder. That's what replaces that here. And this is what you want. You want this, the file name, the quantity, and the update ads, which is what these things are. And of course, don't forget, you need to close it and then exit. And that's it. And then it keeps going down to this. You hit this, it does this, it just shows you this, that's all. Doesn't go nowhere. And it creates that file for you. And that's it. Simple as that. So we're going to put this inside the what you call it? Let's call it I don't know. Let's see. What was the name of the those reports? What was the name of them? I can't believe. Let me see. Why I can't remember. What are the names? Oh yeah. Log, stock, and refresh. Low stock. Maybe we'll stick it in there. Maybe we'll have it a separate thing. I don't know. I gotta see. I have to look at it. Here's the refresh. And here's your low stock. It's stocky. And this is, I don't know. We could just do this for now. Put it right there. I think I got something that I might use. But I don't know. Let's see. Since you're already in there, that report. They're going to say inventory report. Inventory report. Let's see what it looks like. There you go. I would like to have it over here. So I'll have it set up so I can have it across. I mean, it's okay. So what I'll do is I'll do this situation. Singing the song, singing the song, singing it, singing it, singing it. That's what this is right here. See those little things? I could have, yeah, I should have fixed that too when I was at it. What was it called again? Sing, sing, that's what that is. Was it this one? With this one? How about if we do same idea? I don't know. Let's see. Uh-oh, did you hear that? That was my belly. This is just for a test, just to see how it will look. And I just put in something. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, they don't do anything. Okay. Maybe what we could do is, what's with this bottom dump thing? We can have this guy in here too. Why not? Let's see. Yeah. There you go. That's your log. I mean, it is pushed over. Bottom 20. Container 4. I don't like it. I'm gonna do this instead. I'm just gonna put it right here. This is that, and that belongs to that, so get rid of that. Let's line this up a bit. Bad sing the song. Alright, let's see if it'll do it. Yes, it does. There you go. So you know you already saw this already, right? So you go back. You already saw the refresh. It refreshes everything. And then it goes. Boom, there you go. Simple as that. You know what I just thought about? Nah, it's okay. This is cool. I like it already. There you go. There you have it. Got another report. Now, what we're going to do is, let's go back. You know what we should have over here? No, because this is something. Yeah. You can print this like this. I can have like another button here that says printed as, you know, as this way, you know. So, how's that work? I'll find that out on the next one. I forgot. Little button that says to print to. And we'll do that. We'll do that. That way, let's say, it'll pick up printer maybe, or you know what would be also good? A way of having to email this also. That would be great too. Yeah, we'll do that on the next ones. Once we started to create it, we'll make it look UX UI. Then we'll do that. But for now, we'll keep it like this. It went in here. You know, I could put that back. Where is it? How did I do that? Let's go back here real quick. The low stock back. Low stock. What we do? Go ahead. Check this out. Come here. You go. Oh, let me see. There you go. Like this is. Oh, look, back. Back to the token. I could say. Let me see. Maybe we could pull this out like that. Now that we're doing this a little bit, let's just, we don't need that. Inventory, wasn't it? Reports. We could kind of put it, where are we? No, you know something? I'm required to put this in there and you're going to see it. And I do not want you guys to see it. So what we're going to do is, we'll do it on the next one. On the next video when I show you something else that I'll take the time for a few seconds before we go on. And I'll show you the button that's just going to take you back. Because I don't want to show you what I got to fix this right here. Right now I'm on tape, then you'll see it, and not a good thing. But I would say if I had to put it in, let's say, I would do it. Where is it? Right here. I will stick it in right there. Should we do it before or should we do it after? Well, I'll figure out where we'll do it. If it'll be nicer to put it like right here, maybe, or maybe drop it down here, go back. Then we just put it right here. Anyway, we'll see. I'll show you in a second. Not in a second, but I'll show you on the next one coming up. Okay. Anyway, we're here. This is it. This is how it works. You saw what's going on. I add all these things here. And then we're going to be good. We're going to be good. It's all going to work out. Anyway, thank you very much. I hope you learned something from this. And I'm going to create 3 more reports. It'll be something like this. Same idea. This same idea of all this. Of course, because you know, you you're gonna have to have it the same because it has to look the same. Well, we're gonna do the ones with so we can see, you know, like if you want quantity of, let's say, what is that, 50, and it goes down to 10, then you need to, I don't know, get more. All right, so we'll do that. That will be one of the reports. Anyway, give me a thumbs up, submit, subscribe on me, excuse me. And if you want to give me a comment, just put it in. And thank you very much. Until the next time, my friends. Until the next time, a good